Let's hear it from the horse's mouth. Kunal Thakur, the groom himself.
मेरा जूता चोरी हो गया और मैंने शगुन के पैसे पूरे दिए पर जूता वापस नहीं आया.
Hi, this is Mukti Mohan and you're watching me on Wed Me Good, Wedding Rewind. Talking about our wedding planning, first thing was the destination. We got to know the minute the roka happened and Shadi pakki ho gayi. The first thing everyone started talking because, Kunal's parents, they live in Abu Dhabi and we live here. So meeting in person is a crucial thing. So usi time milte hi we started planning, okay. So it began from temple wedding to a destination wedding to Rajasthan to a very like a fort-like wedding. Then it came down to a beach wedding. And so happy, so glad that it happened right next to our house. So I think we're quite attached to the fact that it happened right next to our house. तो होता है ना जैसे लौट के बुद्धू घर को आए. So we literally came back home and we got married here. I had no idea where am I picking up the outfit from and what am I going to be wearing. My mom said, जोड़ा तो लाल ही होता है बेटा. It has to be red. But I think I'm a very pastel person and I wanted to be very pure, very light, on the eyes. Even after years, if I look at my wedding, it should not look like, oh my God, it's too loud. So I had a pink lehenga with a veil, with the detailing of maroon in it. And I loved the contrast. It was picture perfect. Every time I look at it, I feel so happy, so blessed that I found that outfit. Now coming to the most interesting outfit. Haldi outfit was actually a gift from Abujani Sandeep Khosla. Made an outfit for Madhuri Dixit for Devdas. That haldi outfit was an actual haldi ka rang. It is a plain color with a big gota and it has a lot of ghair and ghungru attached below. Really, really special. Reception sari. So I love the tissue fabric, organza fabric. It is a transformation thing that it's so pastely. And right after the pastel, once you're married, the first thing I wanted to be in red. So that my mother is also happy because she wanted the lehenga to be red. I liked the fact that it had border which had the cut. Also the blouse was young and that reception night was really, really beautiful. Everyone from the industry came, Hemant sir, Kapil. It's a very strange feeling, but being in red actually gave me that I'm a new bride. Let's hear it from the horse's mouth. Kunal Thakur, the groom himself.
Hi.
Hi.
Right, so I'm here to share a story about this shoe. मेरा जूता चोरी हो गया और मैंने शगुन के पैसे पूरे दिए पर जूता वापस नहीं आया.
मतलब जूता तो आया लेकिन दूसरा पैर नहीं आया. So it was really strange. We are asking Shakti di, you took the money, but where is the other shoe? Oh, this one has, oh that one has. Ask this one.
So I was like, एक तो इसकी इतनी वैल्यू है कि ये शादी का जूता है मेरा, and it was special to me, but sad I didn't get it back. So
I was really stressed about my sunset shot has to be there. He just came so quickly that Neeti Di was running, Shakti Di was running, Mummy, everyone was like, what? Barat aa bhi gayi hai? Neeti Di is doing Wari Varsi Khatan Gyasi. And by the time I just went in the lift because it was a rooftop right next to the beach wedding and we wanted our sunset shot, the sunset had happened. So there is a moment clearly where Kunal is doing you're looking nice and from far away I'm walking down the aisle and I'm doing this to him with a smile and I had my veil on and I'm just doing sunset gaya and only he could get what it's gone.
Grooms, I would say, पहले तो just be very sure that you want to do this. Also,
of course. So one thing for brides, select your outfits first because everything depends on you. It has to be contrasting your lehenga and your vibe. So otherwise, grooms will keep waiting. So make sure that you select things fast and every time you're photographed. So you are the celebrity for the couple of days, even after the wedding. So make sure that you have enough of everything.
Yeah.
If you are a bride and a groom to be,
don't forget to download the Wed Me Good app.
Energy. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So if you are a bride and groom to be,
don't forget to download the Wed Me Good app.
Thank you so much for listening to our funny and precious moments. We wish you all the very best and lots of love for your wedding. And thank you so much, Wed Me Good.
Chak kane phate.